In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Binance account. So for the first step is that you want to head over to Chrome, but if you already have the app installed, you can easily use the app, but I don't have the app installed, so I'm going to use my Chrome browser. So if you're using a Chrome browser tool, you can easily go over to Chrome. Once you're in Chrome, search for Binance, and then click on the Binance website. So once you're on the Binance website, it's going to ask you for your email or phone number. I'm just going to easily insert my email address. Once you're done inserting your email address, you can easily click on the next button. It's then going to send a verification code to your email address, so you can easily navigate back to your email address to get the code. As you can see, here's my code right over here. So I can easily copy my code. So in order to do that, you can easily long press on the number or code and then click on the copy option, and then go back to your Chrome browser and long press into this box and click on the paste button, and that should easily paste the code. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to create a password, so you can easily create your password. Once you have inserted your password, click on the next button. Now click on the next button again. So as you can see, it's going to ask you to download the app. So you can easily download the app and you'll be able to use your Binance account. But as you can see, that's how you can easily create a Binance account for free. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.